Top 6 Best Web Hosting Providers in 2020. Best hosting providers may sometimes seem not viable. Consider the various companies claiming they provide the best hosting at the most cost-effective rates possible. How can one tell which ones are for real? It takes thorough research to come up with a final decision. Below are the steps in selecting the service provider within the market. The most important step in the selection process is the assessment of your needs. Take some time to think about the type of websites you are planning to host. Company websites' hosting needs are far different from a private one. Also, take into consideration the sorts of websites you'll decide to host within the future. Of course, you'd not want to possess limited options for a growing business. Price. Different companies offer a range of prices. Those with dedicated servers are costlier than those who offer budget hosting but with limited bandwidth. Businesses from overseas offer temptingly cheap prices. But there are a lot of factors to be considered other than rates. If you're getting to use your website for a business, a free web hosting service might not be suitable for you. The free ones are mostly for fun sites and family use. The rate is the last factor to be considered in the selection process. Quality, reliability, and speed are more important than its price. Reliability and speed. Speed is a crucial factor to be considered in selecting a hosting provider. Most hosting companies offer an uptime of 99% or better. A slow website will leave a nasty impression on its visitors. Therefore, we must traffic jams with a reliable and fast web hosting provider only. Data transfer and disk space bandwidth requirements depend on your website. Hosting providers are being billed for bandwidth. For that very same reason, providers also charge for the quantity of knowledge transferred. Also, make sure that there is enough disk space reserved for future use. 3 GB is more than enough for most websites. Technical support. Before making a final judgment, take time to see on the provider's support availability. It is vital that you simply are ready to contact your hosting provider whenever needed. It may be a wise decision to go for a company who can provide you support 24/7. Scripts and special features. The hosting service provider should be ready to meet your needs. It should have the capacity for various scripts. Its email addresses must be standard. Also, make it an appointment to see if the provider's other features like secure servers and shopping carts are standard or are available. Control panel. Another important factor to be taken into consideration is that the amount of control you've got over your website. Make sure that your hosting company gives you access to a control panel. Through the instrument panel, you'll easily adjust your account settings and make necessary changes to your website whenever necessary. Calling the customer service or sending out an email to invite assistance may cause some quite inconvenience. Top 6 Best Hosting Provider in 2020. 1. Bluehost 2. Namecheap 3. Hostinger 4. BigRock 5. Cloudways 6. A2 Hosting.